I've always had a strong passion around sales, and account-based marketing, ABM, really brings sales and marketing together. Prior to account-based marketing, we were really the team that handed them leads and turned around and walked away, and then came back when they weren't following up with their leads and then walked away. And it was very much a handoff situation. But now we're trying to instill this cyclical nature of conversation and interaction so that we're always communicating and talking together. One of the things that was really eye-opening to our leadership was the ability to see the impact that account-based marketing can have. We were able to do some very small-scale pilots with some very minimal techniques and tactics, and we're able to prove some really interesting success with a small budget and, again, a small scope, just to really figure out what's possible. We did have a small focus list of accounts that our sales team was working on last year. We decided to do some targeted display advertising with Demandbase. We focused on making sure they saw our ads front and center around that specific solution set, and we were able to see a lot of really nice lift in a very short period of time. We had about 100%, in some cases 200% lift rate in the engagement. And then the other key thing for us is we had about 17 accounts that had never engaged with us before that engaged with us after that. And our sales organization, they're completely blown away at being able to see that level of information about their accounts and how they're engaging and where they're engaging with us. We drove about $65,000 in revenue with these accounts, with these solutions before the end of the year. So that was a big win for us.